So I have one of these Hantek low current amp clamps that I use for my picoscope. Unfortunately, it has two problems with it. Well, maybe three. Problem number one, the most important one, when I want to do parasitic drain tests on a car battery, these jaws don't fit around the starter cable. They're just too small. This is probably in inches, maybe 3/8 of an inch or something like that. And it's too small to get around a battery cable. That's problem number one. Problem number two is it's a BNC connector. Great for oscilloscopes, not so great for just a digital voltmeter. And problem number three is it doesn't have auto off. So if you forget to turn this off, you fry your battery, which reminds me I got to go and check to make sure I turned it off. So now problem number one, the jaws here, there is a way around it. Is I took a drill to it. I noticed there was enough plastic on the inside that I could drill this out, still have a little bit of plastic remaining, and that I could sneak it around a battery. So that actually, I did that, and I'll show you how I did that. And then the second one, BNC to banana, while they make these things right here, right? Now this is the fluke one at 53 bucks, but you can get cheaper ones for $5 or whatnot. And then the last one, yeah, well, just got to remember to turn it off like I got to right now. Anyways, I'll go shoot a video of what I did there, hooking it around the battery and doing a parasitic drain test on a truck here, and show you how well it works. Okie dokie. Here's the damage tool. This is not a 1/2 inch. It's just under, what would that be? I don't know, 31/64 or something. Whatever that is in metric. 12 millimeters in metric, I guess. And all I did was I just kept my hands around this. I ran the drill on slow mode, and then I just slowly worked its way in and out, in and out, in and out, until the drill ran through cleanly and the clamps would close cleanly. And you can see, as I get closer, you can see in there, let's see if it'll zoom in on a finger. You can see it scoring and everything like that, but I didn't go through it all. So that's lovely. Okay, let's check it out and see what it's like on the vehicle. Okay, this is a little messy because I don't have all the connectors yet. So I got from my Hantek, it goes to BNC. I don't even have a female to female BNC. I've got a T junction. So anyways, it's got a female there. Might introduce a bit of noise there, but whatever. And then that goes to just clips, and then to my meter here. Got the Hantek on. And you can see right here, it clips and closes around that starter cable quite nicely. Sorry, the amp clamp puts out 1 millivolt per 10 milliamps.
The DVM is showing 0.5, 0.4 millivolts, which is basically 5 or 4 milliamps. In my case, I just ignore the decimal point to my meter and just read it directly.
Okay, so quick sec, I'm just going to go open the door and we'll see that jump up to 250. Oh, okay. So there's the door. Sorry, I left the door open. So that's 496 milliamps. Ignore the decimal point. And as soon as I close the door, take a few bits, and then it'll knock down. We can see it's dropping. Ignoring the decimal point, it's 269 milliamps right now, and it'll drop. So now it's down to, and this is it goes to sleep quite quickly. It's an older vehicle, so it goes to sleep quite quickly. I've measured this with a couple of inline meters, including Fluke, and it's 7 milliamps inline, but this is saying 5 milliamps, which is just great. Like, it's good enough for parasitic drain testing. It doesn't, as long as it gets close into that milliamp range, that's all that we need. So there you go. Just a little modification to the amp clamp, and now I can do parasitic drain tests. Well, I had enough stuff sitting in the electronics bench to be able to make my own little adapter here from female BNC to stackable insulated banana jacks. These banana jacks, I buy them kind of in bulk. The Amazon ones seem to work okay. I think if I was probably using them every day, they wear out, and I want to get a higher quality RAM. But for occasional use, fine. And then I just used, and it wasn't quite the same as this one, but just basically a panel mount female BNC. So that's what's here. This one's got a plastic part to it, but then just heat shrink tubing. We're off to the races. Yippee!